Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Xiaomi's Redmi Note 8 is here and it takes up right from where the Note 7 left. The phone does not only upgrade the specs but keeps the prices under check. The Note 8 has a new processor, packs the 18-watt fast charger in the box and implements a 48MP quad rear camera setup, while keeping the starting price at Rs 9,999. But how does it actually perform? Well, let's find out in our review of the Redmi Note 8. Starting with the cameras, the Redmi Note 8 sports a quad rear camera setup featuring a 48MP primary lens, 8MP ultrawide lens, 2MP bokeh lens and a 2MP dedicated macro lens. For its price, Redmi Note 8 outperforms on the camera front. The images are crisp, have ample details and good color reproduction. However, in landscape shots, the shadow regions don't carry as much details as the rest of the picture. The dedicated macro lens is the best thing on the Redmi Note 8. It lets you get as close as 5 cm to an object and give you a new perception to everyday things around you. The pictures taken from the 8MP ultra-wide angle lens do not look good when compared to the shots taken from the primary lens. While it produces good colors, the images do not carry much details and the noise is clearly visible even without zooming in on the picture. The depth sensor on the Redmi Note 8 works fine with proper edge detection and gives you the liberty to adjust the blur levels as per your liking. Under low light conditions, the primary lens manages to click good pictures, but the colors are a bit off. The results are better if the object is near you. The night mode on the Redmi Note 8 doesn't help much and sometimes abruptly adds a white layer on the image. The 13MP selfie camera is quite good even under low light situations. And the portrait mode here is by far the best I've seen on a Redmi Note device. The camera UI is good for the most part, but there is a problem. When you switch to the front camera, you can see all the modes, even those not supported by the front camera. And when you tap on such a mode, the camera interface switches you back to the rear camera. Design-wise, the Redmi Note 8 bears more similarities to the design of the Note 7. But even though it sports a flat back, it's comfortable to hold. The color scheme of the Redmi Note 8 is quite refreshing and lively. The Neptune blue color model with S-shaped waves seems to have taken inspiration from the Realme 3 Pro, but the Note 8 extends the design to the front, giving the chin a beautiful gradient texture style. While the Note devices still have to incorporate the AMOLED display, Redmi Note 8's TUV Rheinland certified screen is good enough for the price, with nice color reproduction and good viewing angles. The phone also has P2I water repellent coating and dual Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The processor on the Redmi Note 8 is Snapdragon 665, and while it's not a big jump from the SD660 of Note 8 7, I'd say it's fair bargain given the new chip has a smaller 11nm semiconductor size in comparison to the latter's 14nm size. The processor ensures smooth performance and doesn't stutter or lag even when pushed to the extreme. Apart from casual gaming, graphics-heavy games like PUBG Mobile also work fine on the device. The Redmi Note 8 at the moment runs MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie, but it has been scheduled to get the new MIUI 11 update in the second half of November. With the new update, the Note 8 will have a new overall look, new lock screen with loads of customization, dark mode, always on display and revamped Mi apps along with other improvements. The Redmi Note 8 sports a 4000 mAh battery with support for 18-watt fast charging. The battery easily lasts a full day with above moderate usage. This time, Xiaomi has packed the 18-watt fast charger in the box, which takes around 1 hour to get from 20% to 80%. To sum it up, for Rs 9,999, you get a smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 665, featuring a quad rear camera setup with good primary sensor and a dedicated macro lens. The Redmi Note 8 looks good, performs well, takes beautiful pictures, had good battery backup and the charging speed is nice as well. The Redmi Note 8 is not only a value for money phone in the budget segment but can also compete with some mid-range devices.